How's it going, guys? So here we have a few custom steering wheels from a few customers that we just are about to send out. And as you guys can see, your options are unlimited as to what you can do. Right over here, we have a steering wheel for a Dodge Charger. This particular customer got it with yellow carbon fiber hand grips and black with perforated leather, along with yellow stitching, along with a smart LED display. Right over here we have a Ford Mustang, and this particular customer got it with hand grips in black perforated leather, along with black inlay and no 12 o'clock ring. Right over here we have orange carbon fiber along with black Alcantara and orange stitching, and of course the smart LED display. Right over here we have a 350Z steering wheel, and this particular customer got it with red Alcantara along with forged inlay and black stitching and a smart LED display. Right over here we have a steering wheel for a C7. This particular customer got it with forged carbon for the material, along with red Alcantara and black stitching and forged inlay, along with a smart LED display. And right over here we have Audi R8 2018, and this particular customer got it with black Alcantara along with red stitching, and of course smart LED display. So as you already know, they're available at vicrez.com, fully customizable, so make sure to get yours. And just so you guys know, anything custom, it does take anywhere between 3 to 5 weeks, but anything forged, it takes up to 3 to 6 weeks, just because forged is a little more labor intensive. All right, so as always, we'll see you guys next time.